Hi everyone, this is my UX design project. First, I want to introduce my persona. This is my persona Johan. Most of the time he cycles when commuting and safety is his top priority. These are the most important aspects from the interview. In my opinion, Johan needs a solution for a safe cycle path, because safety is his top priority when commuting. He wants to set off well prepared, taking the weather into account and, where possible, cycling on cycle paths or roads with little traffic. In my opinion, Johan needs a solution for an efficient commute, because saving time on his commute is another important factor for him. In my opinion, Johan needs a solution that requires as little interaction as possible, because using devices while cycling is often difficult and dangerous. In the next step, I want to introduce my sponsor and question: how can we as the German Bund für Umwelt- und Naturschutz make the cycling more practicable, easier to plan and less risky in order to meet cyclists' need for safety? Here are my brainstorm and choice. Certain aspects were of interest to Johan. He was particularly interested in the idea involving a voice function or light signals, as they meet his need for easy operation while driving. The idea using different light signals to provide safety instructions based on stress levels reminds him of an emotion ring, and he would like to try it out. Also, he finds the idea of a simple app that points out hazard locations and also takes the weather into account helpful. So this is my final concept. Since Johan found the stress level indicator interesting, I thought of a kind of colored light on the bike that would give different signals based on the stress level and provide tips and suggestions through an audio function for safer cycling. In addition to this light, I thought of an app that would provide Johan with more detailed information in case he needs it later, and that would allow him to plan and optimize his route as safely as possible. And here are my prototypes. On the overview, the user can see their stress level indicator, their route, and safety tips based on their stress level and possible hazards, including, for example, the weather. When planning and preparing for a bike ride, the weather is key, and a checklist has been created so that Johan doesn't forget anything. In the community, cyclists can inform each other about hazards and share information. Johan finds the concept interesting, and the app includes many features that would be helpful for him. He will not buy an additional device, so it will be better to include, for example, his Apple Watch for stress light.